Hi Brinyters, this is Jane from marketing team at Brinyte. Some of our clients said that it will be very inconvenient and busy to use two remote controls when they want to use two of our T18s at the same time. So they wondered that it is possible to use just one remote control to control the two flashlights. If yes, that would be so awesome. So today I'm telling you that the answer is yes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now you see I got two T18s and each of them has got its own remote control. So I'm going to show you. Turn off, turn on, brightness down, and brightness up. For this one, turn off, turn on, brightness down, and brightness up. And this remote control cannot control this flashlight. See, nothing happens, right? This remote control cannot control this flashlight. Nothing happens. How do we use just one remote control to control the two at the same time? Here are the steps. First, choose whichever remote control you want to control the two flashlights. For me, I will choose this one. So since it has been able to control this T18, so all I have to do is to use it to control this one to pair it with this flashlight. How do we pair it? The secret is in the flashlight. First step, twist off the light head, and you will see a module here. And let's twist it out. And here is a little button here. This is where the magic is. How do we pair it? First, press and hold the little button. Then, press and hold the on and off switch on the remote control. Then, press once the tail switch at the bottom of the T18. And then, let's wait for 5 seconds. Now, let's equip all this stuff to see if we have paired them successfully. Okay, so let's turn them on together. Let's check turn off. Yes, successfully. Turn on successfully. Brightness down successfully. Brightness up successfully. So we have paired successfully. This is how we use just one remote control to control the two T18s, and just repeat the same process if you want to pair the remote control with two more of our T18s. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.